Hi guys, this is Apple. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another DIY transformation. As you can see, my daughter is wearing my old skinny jeans that is size 27 and will be transforming it to a jumper shorts. Here's the before photo of my skinny jeans. To start with, I laid flat the jeans in a surface or in a table and draw the line for my daughter's size of shorts. After drawing the lines, we're ready to cut it off. Make sure to leave a little space or ½ inch for the seam allowance. Using the bottom part of the jeans, you just need to cut it out. So cut it on both sides so that you will separate the front and the back part. Now, having the front part of the jeans where we can see the tattered side, this is what we're going to use as the top of our jumper shorts. So just cut it out into 10 inches long. Attach both sides together so it would look like this. The back side of our jeans will serve as our strap, which is 3 inches width. After cutting out all the parts, this is how it should look like, and we're ready to sew it. Let's put together the top part of the jumper shorts. Just attach both sides together and sew it. This is how it looks like when both sides are attached together. Let's move on to the step. You just need to go ahead and hem the both sides of it, just like this. Now for the strap, I use a different color of thread. It's because I ran out of the black one, but it's okay because the zigzag stitch is not that obvious from afar. Now we are sewing the shorts and we have to sew it right sides together, just like this. I'm sorry guys that I wasn't able to film the rest of the procedures. My phone ran out of battery and I had to charge it for a bit. Now showing you the finished product of my DIY transformation, coming out from my old size 27 skinny jeans, transformed into a jumper shorts for my 8-year-old daughter. So guys, if you like this video or if you like this transformation, please click the like button. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. At the same time, click the bell icon right next to it for you to be updated of my future uploads. Thank you very much guys for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye!